Hi, if you're new here, my name is Julia and I'm from the Bay Area, California. I'm currently navigating my early 20s, and on today's episode of my life, we left Japan and we're headed to Beijing. Guys, this is my first time in China ever, and I'm so excited to be visiting a new country. The culture, the food, the people, so cool, and I can't wait to show you everything. This is the best coffee I've ever had in my entire life. Guess who has arrived in Beijing? I keep trying to say Shanghai. We're in Beijing and we're trying to get to the hotel, but this airport is so crazy nice. We also got a little trolley. Very cute. Wait, it's not that hot. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, you gotta put in the key card. Oh. Wait, whoa. Why do we have a living room and a room? Okay. Wait, shoes off? I wanna explore. Okay, bathroom. Okay, Beijing, I see you. Cute. Look at the view. Wait, what? Wait, the view is so nice. First night in China, and it's hot,
but not super humid.
Yeah, but not super humid, so it's fine. But like low-key, I'm starting to sweat now. Slightly. I feel like you're sweating.
No, not yet.
Well, anyway, we're walking and we're trying to find dinner right now. I have no idea what to expect, so I'm letting John lead as usual.
Dairy Queen.
Wait, there's a Dairy Queen? What the heck? Say hi! Okay, we just got our hey tea. Hey tea. Okay, let's do a taste test. Wait, how do you do this? Oh, it's high tech.
Here's a straw. So we got a white jasmine fragrance tea with boba.
Hopefully it's good. It's very cute though.
Is it good?
Hey, the boba. Wait, try it. It is a bit too sweet. I think I'm gonna get less sweet, but it's good.
I need to figure out how to say less sweet.
Okay?
Jasmine's good.
Yeah, very, very yummy. It's a little sweet though, right, huh? Yeah. Yummy! Alright, back to the hotel room so we can plan for tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you.
Good night.
This is what happens when you travel and you don't have laundry. Air drying on the table. Hello, good morning from Beijing. We have one full day in Beijing, so I'm gonna get ready. I low-key woke up late. It's already 8:15. But yeah, I looked out the window today and the lighting is nice. Last night I was a little uneasy from traveling all day and then coming to China for the first time ever. Like, this is my first time ever in China. The lighting at night is kind of weird. Like, it's like very yellow, so it's very ominous, and it's just really loud, so I was just like, whoa. So it's very different from when I was in Japan. Everything was so bright and white and light. Anyway, I'm excited to eat some food today. Some good Beijing breakfast and lunch and dinner and snacks. We're also going to the hutongs, which are, if I'm correct, like traditional shops. So I'm excited to see what Beijing has to offer. I'm sure it's a lot and I'm excited. I just feel very in touch with my roots right now. Because if you guys don't know, I'm actually half Vietnamese and have Chinese. So anyway, let's just get ready for the day. I need to put an outfit on, I need to put my makeup on, and we gotta go because we're kind of late and we gotta take the subway 30 minutes to where we want to be. So I will see you after I'm done getting ready. Hey, that's where my packages come from. Okay, girly, we are out and about and we're going to the subway. And what area are we going to, John?
We're going to the Huynh homes, or just around that area.
Yeah, but it's really hot, so it's gonna be quite a sweaty day.
You see anything you like?
Yes. You're so cute, huh? You're so adorable. So flaky, so crispy.
So we got one durian and one normal Portuguese egg tart.
This is the normal. This is a
Durian.
This is a durian one.
Oh my god. You can hear the crunch.
Wait, I can't tell if they're durian in here or not. So good though. Is lightning good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
8.5. Jasmine latte.
What? Really good?
This is the best coffee I've ever had in my entire life. I'm not even capping. Wait, it's the jasmine coffee. Like, it's literally
coffee?
jasmine coffee. It's coffee. It's espresso.
Oh, I don't know.
Right?
That was just tea, but sure. Oh yeah, jasmine coffee.
It's so good.
But this is really good. Less sweet is perfect, I think. It's really good.
Wow. Just casual.
Watch out.
Just casual.
Just casual.
Hey, eyes on me. Come on. Follow me. Okay, you can stop the recording. Guys, it's wiggly jiggly. It's me. Hi guys, we're eating our breakfast. We got some, what is this?
Some pork dumpling.
Pork dumpling.
Like small, I don't even know. I've never had
Okay.
this before. And some potato egg pancake. Some sort of fried, just some small eats.
Fire. You dip it in this chili sauce.
Chili sauce.
Cheers. Good. It's quite hot outside, but it's a vibe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Want to try it? Okay, potato pancake.
Hot.
It's like a hash brown.
Really?
Good. Right? Good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not the biggest fan.
Wait, the background looks sick.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
No, it's good. It tastes like coffee.
Behind you.
Wow. Okay, you try first. Good?
Old school Chinese ice cream.
Wait, it's ice cream? Wait, what? I thought.
Whoa. It's a very common flavor.
Yay.
Try that. What's inside?
Ice cream.
Oh, more ice cream.
It's good. Okay.
I don't think that I got time for shit when no one's hitting up my line. I've been waiting for this all day. Homie said that he gon' slide. I got a shawty and she right with me, but she working overtime, you see. I've been spending all day thinking about you and how we gon' make it out, baby, come through.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh. Okay, it's Julia's first time trying Beijing style yogurt. Yeah. Do I mix it? Or no?
I just drink it. Good?
Wait, this is really good.
Hey, don't drink all of it. Oh, sorry. You should have got 2.
I'm gonna try now. Anime reaction. Was it
That's sweet.
Yeah, it's good. And look at this beautiful view. Isn't this so picturesque? I love China. Hello. We're trying lamb skewer with I don't know, it's like some spicy powder on top. It smells really good. We've been eating non-stop for the past like 3 hours, but it's so good. Okay, you try. It's so good. It's so good. It is very hot. Very hot. It's like 90 something. What is it? 96 degrees.
But we're in the shade.
But we're in the shade now.
It's like a lake,
kind of.
you know?
Yeah. But I think having an umbrella would be nice because everyone out here is like wearing umbrellas. You'll see that. Anyway, we're gonna go back home, but before that, we're gonna try to get tanghulu and boba and water. We probably should drink water too. I low-key did not drink water today. I had 1 sip actually this morning. Yay!
I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the lights, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We've been going at it for a minute or 2. Darling, you got the sweetest heart, and I don't want it to break. That frown on your face.
Hi guys, we found ourselves in another food court vibe. We got watermelon. Cheers. I can put my camera up on this thing.
You want me to hold?
No, I just want to take a photo. Oh! Eating tanghulu! Yay! Yay! Cheers! Okay, you need to eat this piece because this is gonna be too.
The whole thing?
Yeah, put the whole thing in your mouth. Bite. It's hot. It's warm. It's a bit warm. I don't know how to feel about that.
This is supposed to be cold?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, really make it right away.
Oh, yeah?
It's good, but it's just really warm. I make it better at home myself, though.
It's really good. It's really good.
Yeah. I didn't try the strawberry yet.
Good bite.
Continuing the food tour.
Okay, last dessert of the day, I think. Osmanthus oolong milk tea. It's good. Yummy! Yeah.
Good morning, it's breakfast time. I just took a shower and we got food delivery, which is crazy. We just found out about this last night, but apparently you can get anything delivered in China. Like all of this was $14 US and they deliver within like 15-20 minutes, which is crazy. Anyway, here's the spread. We've just got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Soy milk, youtiao, baos, more soy milk, egg omelet thing. This is a lot. I can't even keep track anymore. But anyway, I'm so excited to eat. I'm so hungry. All right, we gotta eat now. Literally, what do you mean? This looks so good. I'm so hungry. I love it. Wait, do I dip this in here, John?
Try it on its own first and then. Good. Delicious.
I don't like it with this.
What?
Bro. I can't believe we don't have this in the United States. Like, the delivery here is so inexpensive. Like what do you mean? And we got so much food. This whole thing would have gotten you one latte with oat milk in the US without delivery. Like you would have to go drive yourself and go pick up your latte and leave a tip. That's so rude. But here, it's so normal to just get things delivered ASAP. And I think it's because it's really easy to bike around here. The transportation's so easy. Everything is just so accessible.
Guys, why is it so hectic in here? There's so many people. But at least we got past the check-in and we're gonna go to our car now.